In this video, we're diving into Creatify AI, an AI-powered platform for generating marketing content and ads, and whether it really stands out or not. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions when it comes to picking the right software. Now, if you're looking for a way to create high-quality ads quickly without hiring an entire creative team, then this review is for you. We'll examine how Creatify works, its features, pros and cons, pricing, and how it compares to other AI ad tools. Section 1, what is Creatify and who is it for? So Creatify is a browser-based ad creation platform that uses AI to generate video and image ads tailored to social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. It's designed for small businesses, agencies, e-commerce brands, and marketers who need a steady stream of ad creatives. So who benefits from Creatify? Small business owners. Without a dedicated design team, they can produce professional looking ads in minutes. Agencies. Creatify speeds up ad production, allowing agencies to handle more clients without adding headcount. E-commerce brands. The platform can generate product-centric videos that showcase features and benefits quickly. Marketers running A/B tests. Creatify's AI generates multiple variations, making it easy to test different angles. Section 2. How Creatify works. So Creatify is actually super simple, but really powerful. Step 1, input your ad brief. Just start by providing Creatify with information about your product or service. Now, this can be a URL, a script, or bullet points outlining features, value propositions, and your target audience. The more details you provide, the better Creatify can tailor these ads. Step 2, AI generates multiple variations. Once your brief is submitted, Creatify's algorithms generate a range of videos and image ads. These include different layouts, color schemes, pacing, and messaging angles. You might see one video focusing on a product's benefits and another emphasizing user testimonials or problem solving. Step 3, review and edit. You're not locked into the AI's suggestions. Creatify provides a video editor that lets you tweak text, swap footage, adjust timing, and even add your own media. This flexibility allows you to maintain great brand consistency. And if you like an AI variation, but you want to change the call to action or soundtrack, you can do so easily. Step 4, optimize and export. So Creatify uses machine learning to identify which variations are likely to perform best based on platform norms and your target demographic. They can also recommend A/B testing strategies. Now, once you're satisfied, you can export ads in sizes optimized for different platforms and even push them directly to ad managers in certain integrations. Section 3, key features of Creatify. So Creatify offers a suite of tools that set it apart from basic video editors. AI scriptwriter and voiceovers. Creatify's AI can draft your ad copy and narration, input your product's unique selling points, and the platform writes a concise script. It also offers text-to-speech with multiple voice options and languages. This eliminates the need to hire voice actors for simple ads. URL to video ad generator. Now, one standout feature is the ability to transform a product URL into a video ad. Creatify scrapes product images and text from the URL, and then it automatically assembles a video with dynamic transitions and captions. This is particularly useful for e-commerce stores with tons of products. Batch ad creation. Agencies and large brands often need dozens of ads at once. Creatify's batch mode lets you generate multiple videos or images in one go. Provide different product links or scripts, and the platform cranks out variations for each one simultaneously. AI-powered personalization and optimization. Creatify doesn't just generate ads. It analyzes performance data to refine them. It tracks engagement engagement metrics like click-through rates and view durations, and then suggests tweaks. So over time, its AI learns which visuals and messaging resonate with your audience. Multi-format support. Creatify handles various aspect ratios and formats right out of the box. Whether you need 16:9 for YouTube, 1:1 for Instagram, or vertical 9:16 for TikTok, you can generate each format with tailored designs. This saves time compared to manually adapting each ad for different platforms. Section 4, pricing plans. So Creatify offers several different subscriptions to choose for, so let's go ahead and take a look. So they've got 3 main plans and then an enterprise plan. So they actually do have a free plan, which is nice. You can kind of try it out and get to see most of the features. So with that free plan, you're going to get 10 credits per month, but it is going to export with the watermark. That's sort of the big trade-off. You can do AI videos, avatar videos, AI shorts, image ads, AI script generations, and it also supports all the major aspect ratios. Now, the starter plan starts at $19 per month paid annually, where you can save 50%, or it's $39 per month on their initial plan here. So this, you get 1,200 credits per year or 100 credits per month. This removes the watermark, gets you AI video ads, AI avatar, product video, AI shorts, AI editing, as well as 16 plus AI models. You also get smart asset storage, a basic avatar library, 100 plus realistic voices, 29 languages, and videos up to 2 minutes. From there is the Pro plan, starting at $49 per month on the annual plan or at $99 per month on the month-to-month plan. And then you can also increase credits if you need. So if you want to go from 2,400 credits to 6,000 credits, it goes from $49 to $99 per month. Up from there, you can double it again for the number of credits for $149, double it again for $249, all the way up to 60,000 credits per year. So in this, you get the premium avatar library, 3 custom avatars. You can launch ads to Meta and TikTok. You get 22 plus AI models, 3 concurrent generations at the same time, which is huge if you need tons of ads right away. The avatar Aurora and avatar holding product. You can change avatar outfit and background. You get premium product video styles and 10,000 plus B-roll clips and videos up to 10 minutes long. So depending on your needs, there's really a plan for you. And if you need even more than that, there is an enterprise plan as well. So again, the cost can kind of vary widely depending on promotions and whether you pay monthly or annually. Section 5, pros of using Creatify. So Creatify really shines in several key areas. Number 1 is time savings. You can generate ready to run ads in literally minutes instead of hours, days, or even weeks. It's perfect for rapid campaign launches or last minute promotions. Ease of use. The interface is super intuitive. You don't need video editing experience to produce professional looking ads. Versatility. Handles both images and videos across multiple formats and languages. Data driven. It has built-in optimization suggestions for improvements based on real performance metrics. Scalability. The batch creation means that agencies can produce large numbers of ads for different clients quickly. Cons and limitations. Now, no tool is perfect, so here are some areas where Creatify might fall short. Customization limits. AI generated ads can feel a bit generic. While you can edit them, there's only so much you can change within the template constraints. Subscription costs. The price can be steep for small businesses or startups, especially if you don't run ads constantly. Brand voice. AI may misinterpret your brand tone. Careful oversight is necessary to make sure that the messaging aligns with your identity. Learning curves for batch features. While basic features are pretty easy, mastering more of the advanced batch tools and integrations may require some additional training. Section 7, Creatify versus alternatives. So the AI ad creation space is becoming crowded. So how does Creatify compare? AdCreative.ai. AdCreative.ai focuses on multi-format ad designs that integrates with analytics to predict the best performing creatives. Strong for static and image ads, while Creatify really excels in video. AdCreative also includes good A/B testing insights. So if you need static ads and deeper analytics, then AdCreative might be a better fit. But for video-heavy campaigns, Creatify leads. Clicks.video. Clicks.video offers more advanced video personalization options, including custom avatars and voiceovers. It's powerful but can feel overwhelming for new users. Creatify is definitely easier to learn, but choose Clicks.video if you need personalized talking head videos, and choose Creatify for more straightforward product videos. Video and InVideo. Traditional online video editors like Video and InVideo provide provide templates and simple editing, but they lack the AI-driven generation. They require manual input for every element. Creatify automates this process. If you want full creative control and you don't mind doing the work yourself, then go for a traditional editor. If you need speed and automation, Creatify definitely wins. Section 8. Who should use Creatify? Busy entrepreneurs. If you're juggling multiple roles and you need quick ads without a steep learning curve, marketing agencies. Those managing multiple clients and campaigns can benefit from the batch mode and multi-format exports. E-commerce stores, especially those with large inventories who want to generate product videos at scale. Content creators. Creatify can help produce promotional clips for YouTube or even social media. However, if your brand requires highly unique or cinematic videos, then you might prefer working with a creative agency or video editor. So is Creatify the best AI ad tool? Creatify offers an impressive suite of features that really streamline the ad production for many businesses. Its AI-driven generation, script writing, voiceovers, and batch processing make it really appealing for agencies and e-commerce brands. So the decision really comes down to your budget, your need for customization, and whether video ads are central to your marketing strategy. So if you don't already have an account and you want to get started with Creatify.ai, we've got a link for you down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission if you end up signing up and getting a paid plan through that link. But again, it's at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.